AI is evolving faster than ever. And in 2025, there are websites so powerful, they feel illegal to use. In today's video, I'll show you 5 insane AI tools that can help you work smarter, faster, and more creatively, all for free. Let's dive in. 1. Perplexity.ai. Tired of Google showing you 10-year-old articles and irrelevant ads? Perplexity.ai is your AI-powered search engine. It gives you real answers, with real sources, in seconds. You can ask complex questions, follow up with more, and it remembers the context, just like a smart assistant. Best part? It's completely free, and it even cites its sources. 2. Leonardo.ai. If you love visuals, you'll love Leonardo.ai. It's one of the best free AI image generators right now, some even prefer it over Midjourney. You can create concept art, characters, wallpapers, and more in just seconds. There are presets, styles, and even animation tools built in. It's a must-have for content creators and designers. 3. RunwayML. RunwayML is basically your AI video editing assistant. It removes backgrounds, generates videos, adds voiceovers, and even lets you generate clips from text. Hollywood studios have used this tech, and now you can too, right from your browser. If you want to make high-quality videos fast, RunwayML is a game changer. 4. Gamma.app. Creating presentations or portfolios? Gamma.app is an AI-powered tool that builds stunning, interactive slide decks in minutes. Just type in your topic, and it designs the layout, writes the text, and even adds visuals. It's like PowerPoint with a brain. Perfect for students, marketers, and business creators. 5. GodMode.space. This one's for the curious minds. GodMode is like ChatGPT, but more powerful. It lets you run multiple prompts at once, explore decision trees, and automate brainstorming. It's perfect for research, planning, and discovering new ideas you wouldn't think of alone. You have to try it to believe it. And the best part? All of these are free or have generous free tiers. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more AI and tech content daily. Mobile phone with arrow emoji. This is 808 Tech Daily. Thanks for watching.